Yo, what's up guys? It's Kevin the Tech Ninja, and today I'm doing an unboxing and initial impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Ring, and also gonna give you some thoughts behind how it looks, how it feels, and all those things as someone who's been wearing smart rings for the past 4 years now. I've had an Oura ring, I'm currently using the Superhuman ring, and I used one in the past, I'm trying to remember the name, but I've been using smart rings for a very long time. As someone who likes to wear real watches, I don't like having smart watches, but I love the benefits of tracking exercises. I love the benefits of sleep and health and all that stuff. I wanna be a cyborg, just hook me up to machines so I know what the heck is going on. I think a smart ring is a great balance between those two. So let's go ahead and unbox this one from Samsung, and then I'll give you my impressions of it. So first of all, this is like a standard Samsung box, like nothing special about it. It has just the ring right here in the front. It says Galaxy Ring, Samsung up top, all that information on the back. Let's go ahead and give it a rip. Ooh, that was a very satisfying rip. Now I was fitted for this by Samsung, but they also have ring sizer kits. Now Samsung also wants to put this one on your index finger over your ring finger. I've been the person that will wear it in place of my wedding band, but Samsung wants this on your index finger. They said it's for better tracking, better sensing, and then also being able to use some of the gestures that they have. Inside the box, we have another box, and then we have another picture of the ring right here. And then here it is, here's the ring. Now, what is different about this one than any other one is that it has this charging case as well. If you were to travel or anything like that, it's easily put back in this charging case and you get even better battery life. Now, Samsung is quoting up to 7 days of battery life. Now, it's something that I'm gonna have to test. Go ahead and open it up. Oh yeah. This is like a really cool presentation. Like it looks like I'm actually, you know, will you marry me? Like it really feels like I am proposing to someone in this ring right here. But this case does feel nice. It's not super heavy. It is a little big. So, you know, as someone who travels a lot, I like to keep things as minimal as possible. I don't know if I want to have this with me when I travel, but on the back we have our USB-C connection to actually charge this thing up. And then we open this up and then we have the ring right here. Now I was fitted for my index finger. So let's see how well this fits. The moment of truth, I've never tried this on, I've never worn it, and we'll give it a shot. Here it is. Okay, yeah, it fits. It's definitely a different feeling wearing a ring on my index finger compared to my ring finger, and I feel like Mr. T a little bit having 2 rings on one hand. But yeah, it does fit, and I was fitted for it by Samsung directly. Let's take a look inside this ring. I'm not sure how well this camera is gonna pick up everything. But yeah, inside the ring, it's a very standard ring. We do have the Samsung, like it says Samsung on the inside of the ring, and then we have our sensors here at the bottom, which goes on the bottom of your finger. Now, all the smart rings I have used does have the sensors at the bottom. The Oura ring has the sensors at the bottom as well. What I've noticed with the Oura ring is that I can really feel the sensors, and it was something that used to rub against my fingers all the time, which was something that wasn't super duper comfortable. The Superhuman ring has the sensors, but the sensors are covered by like another material, so it actually does feel very smooth to the touch when it's on my finger, whereas the Samsung ring has sort of something in between where I do feel the sensors, but there is something over it to make it a little bit more smooth. So that's something that I am noticing. So I'll go ahead and open up the ring right here, and boom, it pops up automatically. It's saying that a new device has been found, and we'll go ahead and press connect to it. Okay, we're giving it permissions for our location because we can find our ring if we do lose it. We're gonna allow notifications, we're gonna allow all that stuff because I wanna get the full experience with this ring because I am going to be wearing this ring in conjunction with other rings to kind of do things. So it's just telling us how this works. It does this thing where it gives your body a battery level, which is something that we see with many different devices. Sometimes it says battery level, energy score, readiness score. All those things are pretty much the same thing. It's pretty standard. It based that off your sleep, your temperature, and all those things. It's just letting you know everything that it can do for you. So we're just gonna walk through this really quick here. It can do blood oxygen, snore detection, skin temperature during sleep. Just lets you know all the things. We can also set our daily activities, see our targets and everything. So this is kind of walking through the setup on how it works, and then also get alerts for high or low heart rate, which is all pretty standard once again. And also can predict your menstrual cycle based off your skin temperature as well. All right, so it's telling you how to wear your ring. And basically it's telling you what I said before, the sensors are on the way down and then you slide it onto your finger. You don't have the sensors up or sideways. So right now, this is the dashboard for our ring. Obviously, we don't have anything in here. So from here, it should start giving us any activity or anything like things like that. There is gestures though. We can dismiss an alarm. We could take a picture or a video using it. Let's go photo, and then we just do this. Here we go. And it takes the photo, which is pretty simple. Also, this gesture actually does dismissing your alarm as well. So if you have an alarm going off, you just do this and it disables your alarm as well. That's the ring. Let's take a quick look at how this compares directly to the Ultra Human ring. This is the ring. This is the Ultra Human ring. Now you're gonna see the size is a lot different, but we're talking ring finger versus index finger, so the sizes are gonna be a little different. But as far as the materials of the ring, they look very similar. And actually, the Galaxy Ring is actually a thinner ring overall. It has the same sensors, might have even more sensors, and it's actually a thinner ring overall. And then we also have better battery life on the Galaxy Ring for sure. But we're gonna do a full comparison between all three rings when we get a chance. And then here's the Oura Ring here. Now the Oura Ring, I will say it's beat up because I did a lot of like working out and playing sports, and I wore this thing for a couple of years actually. This is actually as big as the Galaxy Ring too. So it's gonna be very interesting when I give this thing a full run through, but I'm really excited to check it out. It is gonna be an adjustment to wear my wedding band and also wear the ring on my index finger. I feel kind of weird. I feel like I have some infinity stones, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna do a comparison. Let me know in the comments down below what you wanna know. What do you want me to test? Because as someone who loves to wear a smartwatch when working out, the ring really has not provided me that same workout information that I want. So I'll be interested to see if this ring can give me the information that I want when I'm doing a workout. Anyways, guys, it's Kevin the Tech Ninja. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.